Okay, now this is Lab 2 installing Windows Server. So let's go over the lab briefing. So we are going to start the first virtual machine A1. Okay, once we connect to the machine, once you click on it, it will tell you, do you want to start? Because remember, we installed image file. Once you click on it, it will ask you, do you want to install Windows? By the way, it's easy. Once we do it, it will be easy. So don't worry. So it will ask you, do you want to install? Yes. Now, English, choose English as a language. Leave the default, yani. Then it will ask you, install now. Yes, click on install now. Now here, please make sure, and I want you to take a screenshot, make sure you choose the second option. Windows Server 2019 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience. Okay, take a screenshot of this, okay? Next. You agree to the license. And here you will choose custom. Here I want you to take a screenshot for each machine, okay? Custom. And then just go by default. Okay, default. All right. The password, we are going to use this password, okay? All right. This is our password. Okay, please write it down so that you don't forget it or you have it on your file. This is not O, this is 0. Huh? After the W, this is 0. Then it will ask you to repeat this for machine B and C. So this is what we will do. Now there is one thing not mentioned here is the IP addresses. Let me see if they want you to do it in this lab. Wait. Let me just finish this and I will answer your question because even I couldn't hear your question. Okay. So let's see if they are giving you the IP address in this lab. Oh no, we are not given the IP address in this lab, so it's all right. The IP address will be doing in the third lab, the HCP. Okay, so let's start doing the lab. Open your virtual machine. Let me come here. What's your All right. Don't start. We do. But you can start if you are comfortable. All right. So these are the screenshots we will be taking. After you finish, no, I told you this compulsory, these 2 screenshots, and then you take another 2 screenshots when you finish, just to make sure everything is running. So I'll start. Yeah, total 4? 4 or 5, no problem. 5 is better. So I'm going to start my first machine. Okay. Start. Okay. By the way, we need to do this for the 3 machines, okay, the installation. All right. Okay. Now don't change the language. Leave as is, default. Click on install now. I need 5 screenshots. The first 2 is the compulsory one. I told you which one. The other 3 you can choose on your own. No problem. I will be checking the first 2, then I will check the others. Okay, now here, look. Look, I am choosing the third option, okay? You see the second option, all right? Evaluation, desktop experience will here with full image, fully loaded, okay? Next. Okay, now here just accept. Accept. Now here you need to take a screenshot, choose custom. Okay, custom, take a screenshot. Next. All right. I will tell you where to take the other 3 screenshots. Maybe it's better to be consistent. No problem if you want that. Password is the same. Take a screenshot of the password page. Okay, this is the third screenshot. Please write the password. It is 0, huh? 0, not O. $sign. $sign. Very good. Excellent. It will take few minutes. I don't suggest you start 2 machines at the same time because of the bandwidth. Okay, so let's finish the first one first. Here is the, by the way, look at the screen here. This is very important. These are the buttons here, radio buttons. This to stop. This is to shut down, the red one. This is to save the current state. So this is what I recommend you do every time you finish the lab, okay? Save your work, all right? And then you shut down. It will come to you, okay? So we have rebooted the machine. Now we need to put our password, which is written in the password manual. You need to type it 2 times. Oops. Yeah, even mine is reconnecting. It's okay. Yeah. That's normal because many students are trying to connect at the same time. Okay. So after you put your password, that's it for this lab. It will open the dashboard, take a screenshot. Now you need to repeat the same thing, please, for the other 2 machines. Okay.